Welcome to the Images and Multimedia topic. But before we start, I want us to reflect on what we have learned so far in this course. In our first topic, we considered what website usability is. We identified potential viewers or customers and reasons why they would use specific sites. The following topic introduced the concept of information architecture, and we continue to consider how the organisation, labelling and structure of information influences the experience of using a website. Understanding and applying some of the principles we discovered enables you to ensure that your website will be an enjoyable experience that people want to repeat. In the last topic, we started to consider content, beginning with writing for website pages. During this topic, we established several things that need to be considered, one of which is keeping it concise and omitting needless words. There is a saying that a picture paints 1,000 words. So one way of cutting out words would be to include pictures. It seems to make sense. So in this topic, we're going to consider this in more detail and see if it is relevant to website design. In this topic, we have 3 intended learning outcomes, which are going to be achieved by identifying and considering the various aspects of incorporating images and multimedia into website pages. We will identify some of the common mistakes as we critically evaluate the benefits of individual images for specific situations. This will be supported by independent research as we collaborate and build a wiki resource. All of these activities will ensure that you select the most appropriate images and multimedia for your websites. The next activity is an interactive video, which examines some of the key principles for incorporating images and multimedia. It will enable you to review and select images for different situations as you explore the key concepts.